Hey guys, so today is day 2 of Vlogmas. I'm so excited. We got a lot of plans today. So right now I'm going to the gym. I just finished eating my banana, drank some water, and we're gonna go do that. I'm gonna go die, so pray for me. And then after that I'm going home, getting ready. We have a brunch today at someone's house, one of Eddie's friends, so that should be exciting too. I love brunch. If you guys like brunch, let me know down in the comments. What's your favorite brunch food? Because I love food. That's why I'm working out. Anywho, and after that, we're going to go to Target because I saw this dress that came out in the Who What Wear collection, and I want it for New Year's. So me and Gabby could kind of match. So yeah, super excited. Kind of my self-care Sundays, and I'll show you that later in the what you call that, in the afternoon, because I like to do my hair and do all that fun stuff. So stay tuned. Talk to you guys soon. All right, guys, I am done with that class. I am a sweaty mess. Look, I don't sweat, but I was sweating. God, this is not a cute angle. Hold up. All right, much better. I'm out of the class. I am dead. This class was like a like climbing Mount Everest class. Lord Jesus, that shit hurt. Excuse my French. But yeah, but now I'm gonna eat my little perfect bar. We're gonna go home, shower, get ready, and I'll see you guys there. So I'm home from the gym. I just fed Gabby some breakfast. I am going to shower. I'm gonna show you guys what I use for my hair to wash. Oh my god, this thing is like horrible. Ooh, how do you fix the whiteness on this? God, I gotta figure out this camera, guys. Anywho, I am going to show you guys what I wash my hair with. Here, maybe let's go from this angle. Yeah, that's better. A little bit, right? Ooh, way better. Okay, I'll show you guys. I bought this at BJ's with my mom. It's this Alba Botanica Hawaiian conditioner. It's like coconut milk. It's from Mega Moisture. So I love that. And I also use this Diva Curl Melt into Moisture. You see, the Diva Curl Melt into Moisture. I use that as a deep conditioner. I kind of sometimes leave it in. Whew, I'm out of breath going up them stairs. I use the Melt into Moisture as a kind of like a leave-in conditioner and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get dressed, shower, then Eddie's gonna shower, get the baby ready, then we're gonna go to brunch. So see you soon. Oh, and also you girls have been asking me about the Ordinary serums and stuff like that. I am gonna do like a little review about them, and I'll show you like before and after pictures. I definitely see a difference in using those products. Also, my hormones are basically balancing back out after giving birth to Gabby and stuff. So I know it'll take a while. Okay, change of plans. Eddie is going to duty. Me and Gabby are gonna go to brunch. So I'm gonna get her ready and we'll be on our way. I'm not gonna record at the brunch because, you know, I don't know, I think it's kind of rude when you're recording, especially when you're with friends and hanging out, right, mamas? Let's say hi. We're gonna get her ready and I'll kind of show you her little outfit. Mine's is okay. I'm trying to lose some weight, so I'm not really buying clothes at the moment. Once I like hit my goal weight, then I'll buy some clothes. What you think? Yeah, so I'm just wearing my post-pregnancy clothes. See you later. I gotta stop looking up here and look down here. Just gonna wear these little jeans. I love these. These are from Oshkosh. I got them on a sale because normally they're really expensive, but they usually have good sales. I got this other shirt, super cute, ruffly. It's from Gymboree. I love Gymboree. They have some really cute stuff, and it's not like cheesy either. It's like good, because I don't like girly stuff, right, Gabby? What do you think? Crazy hair. And here comes Snoop. Hey, we are ready for our brunch. I'm gonna show Gabby's outfit really quick. I'll sit her here. Her little bow. Shirt is from Gymboree. Pants is from Oshkosh. And these are from Carter's. Super cute, mommies! Yeah! Okay, we just got home from the brunch. It's so nice just like connecting with people and stuff like that. You know, it's so hard making friends. Not making friends, but you know, keeping like authentic community, especially at this age and stuff like that. Oh god, Eddie still didn't put the grill cover back on the thing. But anywho, Eddie had to go on duty, so it's just me and Gabby by ourselves here. I'm just gonna watch some TV, honestly, and just relax. It's kind of hard to do stuff with Gabby in the house unless she's taking a nap. Look at my angel. Hi, Mama. Uh-oh, there goes Snoop. Snoop is cooking for Cocoa Puffs. Say hi, Snoop. But yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna relax. I'll probably catch up on some Vlogmases and stuff. I really wanted to go to Target and stuff like that, but like I said, it's a little hard. It's a little hard to do things kind of by yourself with the baby. Snoop loves to lick her feet. I don't know why. Hi, mommies. Hi, mommies. Okay, how do we zoom out? Okay, how do we do that? Okay. Oh, there we go. Zoom out. I gotta learn this thing. Chiqui morena, chiqui morena, way. Un pasito para adelante, way. Woo! You're my angel, girl. Okay, there goes Snoop licking my feet. I love you. Okay, bye. So Eddie finished his duty. He's on his way home. So we're gonna grab some dinner. Yeah. And then we're gonna go to Target. I wasn't gonna go to Target, but now we're gonna go to Target. So here, Gabby, she's so cute. I love her. Hi, mamas. Yeah, so yeah. Oh, and guys, we didn't do our advent calendar. So day 1 is here. I gotta find day 2. Where's day 2? That's 3. Guys, where is day 2? 1, 4. Where's day 2? Holy my friends. Day 2. Let's open this chocolate. Let's see what it is today. Oh, I think it's a little hat. That's cute. Oh, guys, this is like horrible. I'm like shaking this thing like crazy. What is it? Focus. What is it? Oh, it's like a seal? Or money? I don't know. Guys, whatever. I love chocolate. So good. So yeah. We're gonna head Target, Subway, and I have to throw out the garbage. So yeah, so my main purpose of vlogging this year is just to capture moments with Gabby and stuff like that, like our fun Christmas holiday traditions. And also just in a way for me to do kind of like self-care and kind of keep myself accountable for some things. Oh, my angel, let me go get her. So yeah, I definitely want to keep myself more accountable for some things. Like I want to start writing in my journal again and start doing some like daily affirmations and things like that. And I think that's a great way for me to share that things with you guys. I also want to do some of my favorites from 2017, baby products, self-care products, all these things. You know, I really want to start did I say 2017? Whoa, I mean 2018, guys, sorry. But yeah, I definitely want to do some positive change for 2019, you know. It's always good to change and stuff like that, right, Gabby? It's always good for growth, room for growth. And especially for 2019, we're gonna be moving. My husband's in the military, so we are done with our kind of tour here where we live currently in Virginia. So we don't know where we're gonna be. So I think it's kind of exciting, and especially, you know, our families can look at these videos and get to see Gabby grow when they're not around, you know, to visit and things like that. She wants to grab something, but enough rambling. We'll see you guys when Eddie gets here. Eddie's here. We're on our way to our favorite restaurant. What's our favorite restaurant? Subway. Well, more like Eddie's favorite restaurant, right, babe? Oh, coupon. We got a coupon. We're gonna go get our meal. Yum. Oh!
Vanessa, we're turning into baby.
You almost killed me. Okay, bye. The best cookies in the world. Yum! Whoa! We're having our Subway, our romantic dinner. Right, babe? Mm-hmm. Where are we heading to? Target.
Damn, everybody gonna go.
Yeah. Gabby's sleeping with the thing. Oh, look how cute. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. What are you doing? Happy holidays. All the Christmas stuff. Look at Batman stockings. Oh, this is the one I... We're home now. We're gonna take a bath because it's Gabby's. It's almost time for Gabby to go night-night.
You're gonna put her to bed?
No, I'm gonna take her bath.
Oh.
She's sweaty. Okay. I love using this Tubby Top baby massage oil. It has lavender and rose hip, and I use it after Gabby's bath just to moisturize her skin. Yeah, mommy. Oh, hi. Okay, my camera just took a hard ass tumble. That was not cool because I used this cheap old tripod from Amazon. That was not okay. But thank God you're in one piece. Right now I'm gonna show you guys how I make Gabby's purees. I don't buy them at the store because I find it to be more cheaper doing it at home by yourself. So I'm just gonna show you what I do. It's so easy, it's so simple. You don't need a lot of stuff. You just need a blender if you have, or a food processor, whatever things you're gonna boil in a pot, and that's it, we're good to go. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use. So today I'm going to make her some butternut squash. I got this at Wegmans. It's at the frozen area. It's only $1, so you get a lot of product for just a little bit of money. So that's good. And then we're gonna do some organic green beans. I got these at Trader Joe's. I want some strawberries for her dessert and some peaches, and then I have some avocado in here that I just smash up, and she loves it. And then I put them in these little containers. They're from xoxo. I basically just found them online, and I got these cute little oh my god, what are these called, labels from tinymee.com, and I love it. And they're like waterproof and all that stuff, so it stays intact, because I use them for when she goes to school. And I have a whole bunch. These are 2 ounces, and these over here are like the 4-ounce one. She loves it. Oh, and let me show you one more thing, guys. I use this after I like puree the food sometimes, and I put them in pouches. So these are pretty cool, and you could put like the little sippy thing so she can sip out the pouch herself. What are you doing to Dada? Huh? What are you doing to Dada? Flying away. That's what it looks like. I'm like out of the screen, whatever. And then you just take it, and then you just pour it in there. It's really awesome. I love this thing. Ready to go for the freezer. So these are the avocado spinach ones. Avocado, spinach, and apple. This is banana and oh my god, butternut squash. And see, these are the things that I bring for her school for the week. Alright guys, that is it for Vlogmas Day 2. Stay tuned for tomorrow. It's not that entertaining tomorrow because I do go back to work, but I do have some ideas. So you just have to stay tuned to watch. See you soon. Bye.